Short video of the wiring on my fog lights I completed, made a decision on it. So there's the indicator light, the switch is right there. Underneath the dash is a vintage toggle switch. So if I turn it on, push it in, light comes on, and fog lights are on. They're dim because it's a 12 volt fog lights and 6 volt system currently. Also, I have figured out the backup lights for 52 through 54 Ford to put those on. And this one here is in bad shape and hasn't been restored yet, but I did figure out how to utilize it, which one of the concept cars that Ford had before the Thunderbird was introduced had those, one of the clay models anyway. Either use that if I find those at a reasonable price, or I will create my own little tri-vane. It's similar to that. This one here I fabricated, designed and fabricated that one. And but anyway, so that's the fog light. See the light in there. And then turn it off, bring it back towards me. It goes off. So looks original looking, if Ford would have done that, I think. That's it for the fog lights.